Okay guys, I told you in one of my other videos that one day I'm going to show you the pot that I use to make the macaroni and cheese in. Now I can't remember how many quarts this is because I bought it a long time ago, but on the pot it says it's big enough to hold a 20-pound turkey. Now look at all this macaroni in here. It's damn near filled up to the top. It's 10 pounds of macaroni. Now, my husband and I, we're going to have to get this out of the pot. We did it one time before, but it's been so long, I can't remember how we did it. So, wish us luck. Now, this macaroni and cheese is going to be a real simple one. It's going to be simple and easy. And you'll see how we do it. Nothing special, just simple and easy. Okay, my husband figured out a way to get a lot of it out. We're using this plastic bowl. So we're straining it now. I know this part isn't important, but I'm so glad he figured it out. All right, we'll be back. Okay guys, and here is the cheese that we're going to use. This is one of the cheeses. We're going to use more cheese. We're going to use shredded cheese and everything. This is from Gordon's. It's nacho cheese sauce. 6 pounds. And it's going to take both cans to cover 10 pounds of the macaroni noodles. So this is what we're using. Now, I make it the other way too and add the eggs and the other ingredients and everything. But it's been so hectic trying to take care of my moms and everything until I don't have a lot of time like I used to. So this is how I'm doing it this time. And this cheese is really good. So whenever you guys, of course you already know this. This isn't anything new for you. But I mean, if you're busy and you're tired and you're still trying to cook and everything, try to make things as easy as possible for you, for yourselves, you know, so that you can get the job done. The meal is still going to turn out fantastic because you put your love, time, and consideration into making it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, now in order to make sure that the canned cheese go all the way through, what we're going to do is, after we finish straining the water off of the macaroni, we're going to put half of it back into the pot and mix it with the first can. That way we can mix it all the way through, including the bottom. And then we'll add the second pan to the pot, and we'll be able to mix the top layer. So that's going to guarantee that we get cheese throughout everything. Okay guys, here's the first cheese, and I'm going to start mixing. Okay guys, here is a picture of the first pan finished. As you can see next to it, there is a second pan that we were supposed to use. I got so tired, guys, from all that stirring and mixing, and it was getting late until I decided to just, after the second batch was mixed, just put it in some giant bowls and freeze it. So this was part of the Christmas dinner, and as you can see, it's gonna last all the way through New Year's.